Hey guys, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with a little bit of a haul video. I just wanted to share with you this really cool place that I found online, and I just received my first order from them, and they are called Darn Good Yarn. And there is their leaflet that got sent, and just to give you a little bit of background, the items that they sell in their store are made by women. There is no child labor, it is not a sweatshop, and they're made with all recycled materials. So very environmentally friendly, and you know I'm all about that. I love that kind of thing. And I went looking for some fibers online and I found this store, and I'm so happy. The shipping was quick. They are US based, but the items here come from India. They use Indian women to do the spinning and the weaving of these textiles, and they actually even have, which I think I may join, a $10 a month yarn club, which you pay $10 a month and you get a box every month with some of this really cool stuff in it. So I was so impressed, I wanted to come on. I don't normally do haul videos, but I thought I really wanted to share this with you because this is something that's good for women and it's good for the environment, so I wanted to share this little order that I got. So the first thing I want to show you is this. This is actually made out of newspaper. It is newspaper yarn. It's paper, but it's wound so tightly that you can crochet with it, you can knit with it, you can wrap it, you can do whatever you want. And this was $15, $15.99 I think, and there's 45 yards on here. So I mean, good value for money, right? So I'm going to be doing lots of fun projects with this newspaper trim. I love it. It's going to be great for mixed media. It even will be great for shabby chic projects. So I have a lot of things in mind for this. I'm really excited about it. And they actually have used Indian newspaper, so it's got a very cool vibe to it as well. So definitely check that out on their site. I think you guys will like it. And you also get the spool. So hey, that could be altered later too. So that's cool. And then this is called, let me see what this one's called. Diwali Lights, this one is called. And it came wrapped like this with the little tag on it here. And as you can see, it is beautiful. Look at how beautiful and colorful this is. Let me take the wrapper off. If I can get it off here. Hang on. There we go. Look at how beautiful and colorful that is. Let me just zoom out a little bit here. Isn't that amazing? And apparently, let me see how many yards are on this one. I thought I read that somewhere. Oh, 75 yards. 75 yards on here. Like, really good price. Really good value for your money. And I just love the colors. Isn't it amazing? And they've used a metallic trim on here. So this you're going to be seeing in some upcoming projects. I'm really excited about getting more into color this year. I love color, so I'm pretty excited about this. And then they have a mystery item that you can get, and it's an item from their store that is worth $15, but you only pay $5 for the mystery item. And this was my mystery item. And this must have at least 75 yards on it as well, because I would think it's comparable to that one. So, but look at those amazing colors. Isn't that cool? I just love it. So I'm really, really excited, and this is so incredibly soft. I'm not sure what this one's made out of, but I know they have like naturally sourced fibers. And they're cruelty free, so you know I'm all about that. So definitely go and check this site out. I think you guys will be really happy and support women and the environment at the same time. So the link to their store is down below. I hope you will check it out, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial or video or something. Anyway, I'll be back soon. Bye bye.